Good morning, my beautiful YouTube friends. Letty here, Living Life with Letty. In today's video, I am going to show you a lot of clips of everything that I have been doing because I have been very busy. Sadly enough, the videos that I took on Sunday for the little barbecue that we had, I accidentally erased them. When I did Dusty's video, my phone was full, and so I wanted to get more room, and I deleted a bunch of stuff, and so I deleted a lot of the clips of the barbecue. But I was able to save one, so at least you'll be able to see a little bit of that. The other videos are me cooking for the first time in my stove, and I had not done that yet, and so finally I decided to do it, and it turned out pretty good. And then we also went to town, and we went to take a shower at Little America, and I was able to take a little footage of the bathroom, and the bathrooms are amazing, so you really need to see that. But before I get started, I just want to take a couple of seconds to thank everyone for your support, your wonderful comments, especially for Dusty's video. Veterans are very special people to me. My daughter is a veteran, and I think that veterans all deserve our love and our understanding and our support. And you guys certainly did give it to Dusty, and I so appreciate that, and so did Dusty. And he's a wonderful young man. I've gotten to know him quite well in the last couple of days, and he's just a very smart young man, but he is suffering from certain disabilities, and we just need to be kind and understanding of the things that those boys have gone through. And kindness and love goes a long ways. So I just want to thank everyone for being so loving and kind to him. Let's go see everything that I've been doing. And also, just real quick, I'm working on the curtains. I don't want to show them to you yet. That'll be another video until they're completely done, but they are coming out wonderful. So let's go. And there's Penny, and there's Lucy. So we have lots of dogs. And Zed is just so cute, and so they're all gorgeous dogs. I would like to have a dog, but I just can't. I'm going to, for the first time, and this is a little embarrassing, but I am going to be completely transparent with you. I have never cooked in my stove before, so I guess it's high time that I learn to do it. So the first thing we need to do is make sure that the on and off button is completely off, otherwise the can won't work. Then you take the can has an opening which goes in here. Now it's in, I can feel it. And then this lever has to go down, and then it's ready to be turned on, and it'll go on by itself. Press down completely, and then this has to be, and I have to do it this way, there. And there you go. My first cup of coffee made with my stove, and now I know how to use it, so now I can cook, and I am about ready to cook some bacon and eggs. Here I am cooking my bacon, and then I will be doing scrambled eggs. Now I'm cooking scrambled eggs. Yummy, yummy. And I'm gonna have bacon and scrambled eggs and my coffee for breakfast. So here we are, we're on our way out of camp, on our way to Walmart to get water and ice and some other things that we need. And then we're also gonna go and take a shower at a truck stop. I'm so excited because I haven't had a shower in about 8 or 9 days, and it's really dusty here, so I'm due for a good, nice, hot shower. So here I am with Jennifer at Walmart, and we're getting water, and I had never done this before. This is my first time, believe it or not. So she is showing me how to use the water machine, and the lever goes up and down for different sizes of bottles, and it's only 29 cents a gallon. And it is really good water because it is, I can't read that and read it loud.
Over here?
Yeah.
The filtration process, it begins with the tap water. It does a sediment filter, an activated carbon filter, reverse osmosis, and an ultraviolet light which comes down through here in every gallon that is put out.
Wonderful. So it's really good water, very good water. And so we're getting, as you can see, a whole bunch to last for a few days. 29 cents a gallon. Thank you very much, Jennifer. So this is Little America, the truck stop. And I've paid for the shower. It is $12, but I need a shower really bad. And there's Jennifer there with all our towels. She needs a shower too. So this is it. I'm not going to take a video of me taking a shower. Sorry, you're not going to get to see that. So here I am at the Little America bathroom, ready to take a shower. There's my Spider-Man bag that my grandson gave me. And this bathroom is very nice. It's got a bathtub and a beautiful shower with a seat. And there's the toilet. So it's a wonderful bathroom, and I'm about ready to take a nice, long, hot, overdue shower. See you in a bit. Here I am right after my shower. I feel so nice and clean. And there's Jennifer. She is nice and clean. We both have clean hair and we feel wonderful. And I don't know if you can tell, but I have a suntan. So anyway, we are now off to Taco Bell to have some lunch. With the card, my daughter gave me a $15 gift card to Taco Bell. So I'm going to go use it. Well, that's it for today. I hope that you will join me again because I'm going to be taking a video today of the curtains. They're halfway done, but I don't want to show them to you until they're completed. But they are coming out amazing. So thank you so much again, everyone, for all your support. Thank you, subscribers. I love you all. And if you're new to my channel, I hope that you will subscribe and see all my other videos and all the videos to come. Thank you again. I love you all, and may that wonderful sun shine on you and on our solar panels today and every day. Bye-bye.